Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to quickly and easily sew a scrunchie for your hair. You will need your favorite fabric, elastic band, clothespin, measuring tape, scissors, iron and sewing machine. Let's get started. For thinner fabric, use a piece that is 30 by 5 inches. For thicker fabric like cotton, 22 by 3 inches works well. Cut the elastic band to a length of 8 or 9 inches. Place the fabric with the wrong side facing up. Fold one edge along the width by 1/4 inches and iron it. Turn the fabric so the right side is facing up. Fold it in half lengthwise with the right sides together and iron it. I use a wooden tailor's clapper to help keep my seam folded. Sew along the entire length of the fabric, keeping a 5-7 mm distance from the edge. Trim any uneven fabric along the seam. Insert a clothespin at the very edge of the fabric. Slide the clothespin inside and along the entire length of the fabric. Take out the clothespin, iron the fabric. Now insert a clothespin on one end of the elastic band. Put the elastic band inside the fabric and pull it through the entire length. Hold one end of the elastic band so it doesn't slip out. Once the elastic is pulled through, tie a security knot to join both ends of the elastic band. Trim any extra elastic length. Push the knot inside the fabric. Arrange the fabric ruffles evenly along the whole length. Fold the raw edge of the fabric about 1 inch inside. Make sure the finished edge is on top. Sew along the folded edge, going in one direction and then back. I hope you liked this video. If so, thumbs up, please share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.